Are you frustrated at the number of breakdown calls you're attending? Is your engineer wasting time locating parts? Abbey Chart are here to help you. Our kitting service contains everything you'll need, giving you peace of mind and reducing time on site. All of our kits are completely bespoke to you and can be stocked for same-day dispatch. At Abbey Chart, we build and test a variety of complex builds for our OEMs and operators. Whether that's modifications to standard parts or presetting components, let us do the hard work. We also offer refurbishment services in our fully equipped workshop. From your CO2 regulators to chiller units, your equipment is as good as new with a 12-month warranty. Abbey Chart are a value-added distributor to the water, vending, coffee, soft drinks and beer dispense markets, specializing in components including fittings, filters and much more. We're partners with major brands like John Guest. We will ask you about your application and requirements so that we can offer a solution and brand that's best for you. We pride ourselves on maintaining excellent customer service and have a dedicated in-house customer and tech support team with over 30 years experience. So, if you're looking for your one-stop shop and to reduce costs with our services, why not get in touch? The Liquid Dispense Experts. So much more than just components.